So we're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a Badger 5 disposal, and you can see that right over here. So these are straight out of Hachoka, local plumbing manufacturer or plumbing supply house. Starting at the back, we did cut back your old waste pipe coming out and transition to brand new tubular plumbing. So now you've got a brand new P-trap, brand new extension, and of course a brand new telescoping kit coming over to the new disposal. And we did see some corrosion around the old flange. We put you a new flange in there, and so new tailpiece, new brass nut. That brass nut, when we took the old one off, just snapped in half. So that's good. Disposal's new. We've tested that out, run water down it. Functions correctly. Everything's looking good. Also, the air gap was missing the gasket. We had an air gap on the truck, a little device right there. So we just gave you a new one. Also, there was water discharging from the air gap, so it indicated this hose was clogged. So, brand new hose as well. So everything as far as the waste and the disposal and the drainage, basket strainer, all brand new. The only thing left, obviously, is water piping, and that's a separate animal altogether. But everything looks good here outside of that. This installation is done.